Hello everyone, welcome back. So let's start our discussion. So the question is: a string is 1 meter long and 1 meter long and formed uh, long long is fixed at one end and the other end is up and down is up down with frequency for 15 हर्ट्ज. So हो क्या रहा है बेसिकली एक स्ट्रिंग है, एक तरफ से तुम फोर्स लगा रहे हो अप डाउन का और वो तुम्हारा फोर्स क्या 15 हर्ट्ज इतना फ्रीक्वेंसी जो है वो ऊपर नीचे करने का जो फ्रीक्वेंसी है स्ट्रिंग को उसको वो है 15 हर्ट्ज. So I can just write n is equal to 15 hertz for simplification due to the when length is equal to 1 meter. Okay, now due to this the stationary wave with 4 complete loop get produced on the string. Okay, now there are 4 complete loops, so I'll just write it. So loops is equal to 4. Okay, now if I just write that, then you have to calculate, find the speed of the progressive wave, find the speed of the progressive wave. Now in this condition you should know one thing, that how the wavelength can be calculated. Okay, how wavelength can be calculated. So it's a simple thing actually. If you just if you just go with the formula, you can just directly calculate it. It's 9 by 4, but how to actually understand that, so that's the concern, correct? So you can easily actually calculate this with a simple idea that do you remember that the first loop is there's a, if you just remember, it's a first loop is lambda by 2, then second loop is what is it, lambda 1, then we calculated a like this. So it just keep on going on, right, like that, and then we calculate the difference of it. So if you remember, it's actually very simple. So we have the 4 different loop, and what I'm gonna do, you can use the formula directly and you can calculate it, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go with more fundamentals. So I have 4 different loops, right? So if this is a string, so 1 2 3 4, okay, and remember antinode is moving here, antinode is moving, so the last point has to be the antinodes. Okay, so remember this, otherwise you will mess up. Now it can be like this also possibly, right? दोनों डायरेक्शन पॉसिबल है. सो इफ़ यू जस्ट डू दिस, इफ़ यू जस्ट ड्रॉ लाइक दिस, देन व्हाट इफ दिस इज़ द लेंथ एल. ओके, रिमेंबर हम यहाँ पे वाइब्रेट कर रहे इसलिए यहाँ पे एंड हो रहा है, ये एंटी नोड है ये. ओके, सो इफ़ दिस इज़ वन कंप्लीट, so this is 1 lambda, correct? Then there is another lambda here. Okay, now this is half of half, right? So this is lambda by 4. So what is the total length we have? So total length is equal to lambda plus lambda plus lambda by 4. You can actually calculate like this, or you can just simply go with the numerator directly. If you have basic understanding, if you remember the theory part, you can directly write it as a 9 by 4 lambda, but I don't want to rush it. So it's 4 to the 8 plus 9 lambda by 4. Now we have the length. Okay, you have the frequency, you just have to calculate velocity. Velocity is what? N lambda. Now if you know what is n lambda, then you can actually calculate. Now length is 1 meter, so from here you can just calculate length is 1 meter, so it's a 4 by 9. So n is equal to 15 into 4 by 9. So what is it? Okay, so it is nothing but the 6.67 meter per second. So please work it out, it's very easy numerical, and yeah, it's nice. And let's go to the next one. Now the string of the guitar is 80 centimeter long. Okay, 80 centimeter long. So and has a fundamental frequency, length is equal to 80 centimeter, and the fundamental frequency is 112 hertz. n नॉट, बेसिकली n नॉट लिख सकते हो, या फिर तुम अपने कन्वीनियंट के हिसाब से लिख सकते हो वो चीज़, ठीक है. नाउ if a guitarist wishes to produce a frequency of 160 hertz, what he want to produce is n1, let's suppose 160 hertz. Okay, then where should a person press the string? So actually it's a very nice question. So just try to understand that how this happens first. Okay, so it's a simple idea. You just have to understand that if take yourself as a guitarist. Okay, चलो मानो कि तुम गिटार बजाते हो और गिटार बजाते बजाते तो मैं ये पता करना है कि मुझे इतनी आवाज़ निकालनी है तो मैं कहाँ उसको प्रेस करूँ. तो हाउ विल यू डील विद इट? सोचो थोड़ा. ओके. सो 99% केस में हमें क्या, हम नोड्स या जो गिटार एक्चुअली बजाता है उनको पता होगा कि हम क्या करते हैं, नोड्स रटते हैं कि ये वाला नोट दबाएंगे तो ऐसी आवाज़ आएगी, ये वाला नोट दबाएंगे तो ऐसी आवाज़ आएगी. सो एक्चुअली अ गिटारिस्ट को ये सब इंट्यूशन से आता है. बट अगर हम एज ए इंजीनियर या एज ए मैथमेटिशियन, एज ए फिजिसिस्ट अगर चेक करने जाए तो कैसे करेंगे? तो क्वेश्चन वो है. ठीक है. तो पहले क्या, गिटार स्ट्रिंग लिया है हमने एल. सो अभी मानो ये पहला केस है. ठीक है. So let's suppose this is L1 is equal to, I can just write it as a L1 here itself. Okay. And N1 is fundamental. मैं सबको 1 नाम देता क्योंकि हमारे पास 2 केस है ना, तो हम दूसरे केस को N2 दे देंगे बेसिकली, तो थोड़ा हमें आसान रहेगा. ठीक है. Now if the guitar wishes to produce the same frequency where the sound person press. Okay. Now it is the same situation. So what does it mean? Tension should be the same thing. T1 is equal to T2 and mass 1 is equal to mass 2. Is actually example of the sonometer. Okay. So this is the case. Now what is the fundamental frequency in this case? So it is 1 by 2L root of 2 T by L. So it's a simple equation. Okay. Now if I just write this for the two different frequency, it is actually N1 is equal to 1 upon 2L1 divided by T by M. Why I am writing T by M? Because T1 is equal to T2. I don't want to get into difference right now, because we are talking about the same guitar, right? So and is T by M. Okay. Now I have to calculate the length. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to find the ratio. So N1 by N2 is equal to L2 by L1. I can write that from here. Okay. N1 by N2 is equal to L2 by L1. It's just a reciprocal of it. Now they have already given what is N1, N2, L1, L2. So I think you have all the information here. Okay. So substitute and get what is L2, and you should get L2 is equal to 56 centimeter. So that's my answer. Now if you just look into this thing, okay, you can actually understand ki if you are pressing at 56 centimeter, you can actually generate 160 hertz sound. Okay. And if you are a guitarist, you are more concerned about how that actually, is it pleasant.